All right, so over here we have a remote desktop to Ubuntu on AWS. You can refer to this previous video, link over here, in order to set it up. What I want to do now is I want to enable the web extension of Nice DCV or Amazon DCV that lets you access the remote desktop from a browser tab. And it's very handy because you can get multiple people to access the same instance. It is a shared instance, so your mouse and keyboard is shared, but it's really handy for showing people how to do things. And you can also access it on mobile phones via the browser. So how do you do that? Head over to Amazon DCV. You'll see here you get a list of softwares that you can download. I'll download the server. I'll scroll down and you see the Ubuntu instance over here. I'm on Ubuntu 24. So I'll right click and say copy link. And then I'll say wget, paste it in, and it downloads the TGZ file, right? Now what you want to do is you want to extract it. So you say tar-xv zf and then nice. There we go. There's our files. And then what you do is you go into the folder cd nice dcv x64. Okay. And then what we want to do is you want to install the web extension, right? So what you do is you go sudo apt install nice dcv web. That's the one you want, right? So sudo apt install, and that one takes a bit of time. Okay, it's installed, and now what you do is you can run this command to verify it is installed. Over here, and there it is. And now you need to restart DCV, right? So you can do this command. Let's go back here and take out this. So sudo systemctl restart DCV server, sudo ctl, and then the status, right? So you can run all in one command. You can always run them separately, but the nice thing on Linux you can do. And it restarted. So DCV is shut down. And it's restarted the service. What I'll do is I'll say open. Remember it's on port 8443. Just make sure your IP address is in your security group. And you'll see this. I don't have a signed SSL certificate, but I know it's my server, so I can trust it. So I'll say advanced, and I'll say accept the risk, right? So continue. Give it a little bit of time, and there we go. So remember, I'm in my browser tab, right? So I'll say Ubuntu, and then the password I had. Okay. Give it a little bit of time, and then it will connect. And there we go, right? That's where we left off. Super handy. A few quick things about the web viewer. So at the top over here, you can see preferences. You can change a few different things, like, adapting the display ratio. So if you scroll the browser smaller, it changes. You can specify resolution. If you want to copy and paste to and from, you'll need to use the copy button over here, copy clipboard. You can maximize it over here. And it's super handy. You can always still connect via this route. This is still always available to you. But the nice thing is you can run both, right? So you'll see here. And the mouse is shared. The mouse and keyboard is shared. So, trainer student model, right? It's kind of cool. So I hope this helped. There'll be a few more videos now using this workstation for different initiatives that I'll show. But yeah, hope this helps, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot. Bye.